Okay, we are here at the famous Fountainebleau Hotel in Miami. This is actually named one of the best architectural hotels in the country, I think, back in the early 2000s, mid 2000s. So super excited to see it because it is architecturally beautiful from what we understand. And we're gonna go inside and see what the heck it's all about. We get to stay here for 5 days, so see you guys soon. Okay, I'm here in Miami Beach at the Fountainebleau Hotel. And we are staying in that tower right about, actually I think my room is right there, straight out looking at the ocean and the beach and the pool. And it is just gorgeous out here. So check that out. There's a couple cargo ships out there. And I saw those on the plane when I came in. So I don't know what they're doing. Right, there's one right there and there's one right there. Yeah, they're just hanging out. So there's your supply chain. And oh my gosh, it's a gorgeous day right here in Miami. So a lot of amazing things are gonna be happening here this weekend.